Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the Oppo A12 has enough power and that you have a cable and PC ready. Hold volume down and power to confirm it really powers off, then plug into a PC if you plan to use ADB. Once done, press and hold volume up and power together to enter recovery. Do not release until the logo appears. Why these steps? Because recovery needs a clean boot state and stable connection to accept commands or updates safely. Now that you're in recovery, you must navigate deliberately. Use volume keys to highlight options and power to confirm. If the phone boots but misbehaves, select Wipe Cache Partition first. It removes temporary files without erasing user data. If you need a firmware refresh, pick Apply Update from ADB or Local Package, but make sure the file matches your exact model. This prevents boot loops. Flashing wrong firmware often causes more problems, so double-check. Finish by selecting Reboot System Now and watch the first boot. It can take several minutes after updates or cache wipes. If the phone enters a boot loop, return to recovery and perform a factory reset only after confirming backups, because that erases data. Once done, reconfigure your account settings and test key functions. If problems persist or the device won't enter recovery reliably, consider hardware diagnostics or an Oppo service center. Intermittent recovery access often indicates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.